Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius, your favorite tech channel. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be covering topics such as which VPN works with TextNow, and I'm going to show you guys live whether this specific VPN works with TextNow or if it's not going to work. I'm going to show you everything in detail, and if it works, which server is the VPN working with. And today in this video, the VPN which I'm going to test along with TextNow application is going to be a VPN known as Proton VPN. Well, previously I myself have posted a video which showed you guys live proof that Proton VPN was working. But nowadays, as it's become 2024, the day which I'm recording this video is going to be 30th of January. Well, as of 2024, a lot of VPNs stopped working along with the TextNow application, and even Proton has actually stopped working. But still, in this video we're going to experiment whether the Proton VPN actually works or not, and if it's working, which server actually works. And we would have to follow some tricks in order to make the Proton VPN work with the TextNow application. So guys, make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to get to know everything. Well, usually this would be the error which you get when the VPN is not working with the TextNow application. That is, TextNow is unavailable in your country. And today we are going to solve this specific error while working with the Proton VPN. Guys, just remember, this is going to be a playlist video, and in the playlist I'm going to test all the top VPNs and whether it's working with the TextNow application or not. So this VPN's title is going to be which VPN works with TextNow. If you guys also have some suggestions or tips or tricks to make sure to test out which VPN works with the TextNow application, then make sure to put the name of the VPN in the comment section. I'll be making sure to check it out, and I'll be making sure to post a video whether this VPN or this server of the specific VPN or proxy works with the TextNow application. Now let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the hands-on tutorial. Well, I'm going to click on sign up. Guys, just remember, always, when making an account, make sure to make an account using Google or Facebook. It has more probability rate of success. But in this video I'm however going to try making an account with my email address. First of all, to connect with Japan is obviously not going to work, so I'm going to try with the Netherlands server. I'm going to try with the fastest server available. As you can see, the VPN has been connected. Now we are in the TextNow application. I'm going to click on sign up with the email address, and here I'm going to post my email address. I'm going to choose a password. Let's just say I'm going to choose some random password, and I'm going to try sign up. Let's just see what error actually occurs. Okay, first attempt, Netherlands is not going to work. I'm going to make this video a bit faster, as we're going to try like 5 servers today, and taking time for each of the servers is going to take a lot of time, so I'm going to make this steps faster. So first of all, if it's not working, what you're going to do is that we're going to long press on the TextNow application. Every time after trying, make sure to do this before changing your VPN address. You should go to the storage option over here, and in here make sure to clear all the data of the application. Now go back to the VPN and let's try with the US servers. In the US servers, I'm going to try with, let's say, 287.0.10, I guess. Right now I'm connected to the VPN. I'm going to try sign up with the email. I'm going to try guys, the thing is that if I am using a USA VPN server, I'm not getting this TextNow application is unavailable in the country error, but I'm getting please check your internet connection and try again. When this happens, it just means that this IP address is being banned from using the TextNow application. So all you have to do is that you must repeat the process once again and try using a different server. So guys, the thing is that I have tried using a lot of different servers, and I found that none of the servers in the Proton VPN is actually working. As you can see, this is another server. This is not the previous server website, right? I mostly tested on all the servers, but still I got the same result. That is, this page is going to keep on loading for a minute, and after a minute I'm going to receive this error that is, please check your internet connection and try again. So guys, after a few tries you may get a captcha like this. Do not be happy that if you get a captcha like this your problems are solved and you could successfully make an account. But no, this captcha is just to restrict your activity and still it's not going to work. What happens after this captcha is that it's going to try again and it's not going to work. That's the same thing which is happening with the Proton VPN. Yes, I myself personally made accounts using Proton VPN previously, but after the TextNow update of 2023, well, if you guys are not aware of the TextNow update of 2023, then I urge you guys to go take a look at this video. This video's link is going to be available in the description in the first comment. I have pinned a comment. So before getting this video, please go take a look at the comment section. There will be not only this video's link but a lot of important videos links which will help you in your process. See, as you can see, this is the error which I got once again. Now it's disappeared. So guys, that's it for today's video. So in today's video we saw that Proton VPN is not a best fit for the TextNow application. So let's meet again in the next video where I'll be trying out another VPN, and if it works, be the first one to watch it and enjoy all the benefits. So guys, are there no other ways for the TextNow? Yes, right now there are no other ways, but you can try the other alternative applications. I have made a separate video for that too. One of the best alternative applications I would say is the TextPlus application, in which I have obtained a number myself. Wait, I'll show you guys a proof. As you can see, I have a number over here. Some of the errors occurred while using the TextPlus application too, but it was resolvable. If you want to go take a look at the other best alternatives too, so please go make sure to take a look at the comment section. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video. I got an important thing to tell to you guys, that is, as of 2024, there is an important update in our channel. The thing is that our channel is getting monetized, so now you'll be able to find the join button near the subscribe button. So first of all, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button, and then take a look at the join button. I mean, the perks provided by the channel by clicking on the join button. I'm not forcing you to become a community member, but if you become a community member, I am damn sure that you could obtain a lot of virtual numbers, and it's definitely going to help you in the journey. So please go take a look at the benefits provided by becoming a member of our community. So guys, that's it for today's video. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, it's me, Surya Prakash from Protech Genius, signing off. Bye.